If you're buying or selling a car in Florida through a private sale, transferring the title is a key step. So let's break it down in a simple way. First off, the seller needs to fill out the Transfer of Title by Seller section on the Florida title. That includes the buyer's full name and address, the sale date and price, the odometer reading, and of course, signatures from both the seller and buyer. If there's a co-owner, they'll need to sign too. Once that's done, the seller should remove the license plate. If they're not transferring it to another vehicle, they should return it to the DMV. That plate stays with the seller, not the car. Now, let's move to the buyer's part. The new owner should make an appointment with their local tax collector's office, like the one in Orange County. Walk-ins are allowed, but scheduling ahead can save time. The seller doesn't need to come with you, but it's helpful if they do, just in case anything needs clarification. When you visit the tax office, you'll need to bring a few things. First is the signed title. If you also have a bill of sale, bring that too. It can help confirm the sale price. If the car hasn't been titled in Florida before, make sure to bring the actual vehicle for a VIN inspection. You'll also need proof of Florida insurance. A digital or printed card is fine. And don't forget your valid driver's license or ID. If you're using a passport, make sure it meets Florida's ID requirements. Foreign passports are accepted, but they need to show legal presence through a DHS stamp or related documents like an I-94 or a green card. When all your documents check out, you'll pay your fees. Florida collects a 6% sales tax on the vehicle price, minus any trade-in value. There may also be title and registration fees, depending on the situation. If there are co-owners listed, they must be present too. If one can't make it, a power of attorney form will work. And that's the process. Once everything's approved and paid, the title is officially transferred and you'll be registered as the new owner. Now you're ready to take the next step, getting your plate or transferring your old one and hitting the road legally.